Baby girl, let me teach you how to crochet this cute bow keychain. Let's start by making a slip knot. Grab your yarn, make a circle. Now pass that yarn from the circle, and here your slip knot is ready. This is the easiest way to make a slip knot. Now grab your yarn like this and we will start making chains. We will make total of 56 chains. To make chain, yarn over and pull the loop. This way we will make total of 56 chains. I have completed total of 56 chains. Now we will skip 2 chains and will make half double crochet in the third chain. To make half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the third loop, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops left. Yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Here our first half double crochet is completed. Now we will make 5 more. Then we will have 6 in total. Second half double crochet, third half double crochet, fourth one, 5, and the last one 6. Here we have completed our 6 half double crochets. Now we will slip stitch into the next 6 stitches. To do slip stitch, insert your hook into the neck, then pull the yarn and pull through this yarn. Now we have to do 5 more so that we can have total 6 slip stitch. Insert your hook, pull the yarn, pull through this yarn. Do second slip stitch, third slip stitch, fourth slip stitch, 5, and the last one 6. We did 6 half double crochets and 6 slip stitch. Now we will do 12 half double crochets. Again, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. This way we will do 12 half double crochets into the next 12 stitches. We have completed our 12 half double crochets. Now we will do slip stitch into the next 6 stitches. Insert the hook, pull the loop and pull that loop through this loop. We are done with our 6 slip stitches. Now again we will do 12 half double crochets. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. This way we will complete 12 half double crochets into the next 12 stitches. We have done our 12 half double crochets. Now again we will do 6 slip stitches into the next 6 stitches. We have 6 chains left. Now we will do half double crochet into the next 6 chains. Our row 1 is completed. Now to start row 2, we will do chain 1 and turn the work. From here we will work on the back loop, not the front one. We will work this side of the loop, not that side. In this one. Okay, now we will do half double crochet in that back loop. We will do 6 half double crochets in the 6 stitches. First half double crochet, second half double crochet, third, fourth, fifth and the last one 6. This is how it looks from the back, and now we will do 6 slip stitches into the next 6 stitches. We will work only in the back loop. Here we have completed our slip stitches. Now we will do 12 half double crochet into the next 12 stitches, and after that we will do 6 slip stitches, 12 half double crochets, 6 slip stitches and 6 half double crochet to complete the row 2. Basically we are following the same process of row 1 in the row 2. I hope you have understood the process. I'll meet you at the end of the row 2. Here at the end of the row 2, we'll have to do 6 half double crochet into the next 6 stitches. Here we have completed our row 2. Now we will chain 1 and turn the work. This will be our last row. This time also we will work on the back loop and do half double crochet into the next 6 stitches. Trust the process, baby girl, and just follow the shape formed in row 1 and row 2. See, you are first doing 6 half double crochets, then you will do 6 slip stitches, then 12 half double crochets like this, and after that you'll do 6 slip stitches and 12 half double crochet, again 6 slip stitches and then 6 half double crochets like this. You will just have to follow the same step as we did in the previous rows. I'll meet you at the end. Here we are done with our last row. Now to finish this row, chain 1 and cut the yarn. This is how it looks. Now we will hide the tails with the help of needle. Hide the tails on the back side, not in the front side. Just insert your needle anywhere and pull. This is how it looks. Now cut the extra tail. Hide this tail too. This is how it looks. Now we will have to make it in the shape of bow. Hold it like this, it will look like a banana. This is the back side. Now fold it and put it in the between like this. And that one too. Here it is. This is the bow. And now we will take the yarn. Hold the bow in your other hand and round the yarn in between 8 to 10 times to secure it properly. I have rounded total 10 times. Now turn the bow and cut the yarn. Make 2 to 3 tight knots to secure it properly. Now take your hook in between them and pull both the tails to hide them. Now cut this extra tail. Our bow is ready. Now time to attach the chain to it to make it a keychain. Here our cute bow keychain is ready. Baby girl, if you like my video, do subscribe to my channel, and yeah, if you want to add some aesthetic to your hair, do watch these videos. I'll meet you there. Bye bye.